Look what just arrived. I wanted a top knot so bad, and I found one, and I am just excited, so excited. She is just adorable. I'm sorry I keep repeating using the word adore and adorable, but that is all I can think about when I see these Vogue baby deers. She needs some work. Her body has got some, restitching, and she's got a little hole right here that's torn. It's very thin and fragile, so she's going to get a new body. Yeah, and she came with a really nice gown and slip. And what is this? I wonder if this is original. I didn't even know that was on her. It came off. It's a little t-shirt, but it's very yellowed. Everything's very antique, and I asked this seller, and she said it was her grandmother's. It's never been with anyone else. It's always been in a non-smoking home. That's my main questions that I ask. And, I do want to know if it has any odd odors. And let me smell you. Nope, doesn't smell like anything. I'm surprised. I asked if it was sprayed with any fragrances or Febreze, and she said no. That's another thing I don't like is, coated with fragrances and colognes and Febreze, because it's really hard to get that off the vinyl and the body. And I prefer to just have an old doll that needs a bath. Yes, and you are going to get one, and you're going to be so happy. I painted the last one to look lifelike. I don't think I'm going to do that with this one. This is very rare and special. I'm going to give it a new body and freshened up and give it some light blushing, but I'm not going to change the skin tone. No, you're just going to get cleaned up. That's what I'm saying now, and hopefully I don't get tempted to do any further. But you are adorable, and your hair, you just need a fresh new top knot. Yeah, some fresh new hair. You can tell it's 60 years old, and it almost looks like human hair that's 60 years old. So, okay, well, let's get you started. I have another one that arrived today too, and it is a welcome home baby. I will get that opened and shared next. Thanks for watching.